Hey guys, what's up? So today's top best strategies 5, 7, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Color Me Notice and allows you to color notifications. Next is called Color Me Badge and colors your badges. Next is called Last Look. It lasts look at your notification center when you lock your iPhone. Next is called Perma Flux and Permanently High Elements with Flexible or any other tweet that uses Flux. This is called App Editor, throughout iOS 13 to 14 and up. It basically comes with 30 plus features. So as your home screen as an app, and you can actually activate through the app. It does cost like $4 and like 97 cents USD. But it gives you basically like 30, 20 tweets all in one. So all these features right here. This is called Hide VoIP Suggestions, and this will have your useless VoIP options suggested in your contacts when using a long press call or messages option. This is called Jailbreak Updater, update Odyssey, torrent without rebooting and re-jailbreaking. This is called Jailbreak Update Checker, and check for and do jailbreak updates automatically. This is called Gemini, and utilize your app switcher like never before. So that's the control center and notifications right on your app switcher. Supports iOS 13 to 14. This is called Purple KB, Purple Keyboard on system wide. This is called Prism, a feature-rich control center. So you have these features right here. I'll show you return policy, what it looks like. This is called Spring Cuts. And run shortcuts from Springboard, support library and CLI commands, so you can run iOS shortcuts from command line. This is called Polus Polus, and brings true control to control center with full customizable buttons for apps, toggles, and actions. This is called Quick Actions, Quick Activator, and allows you to add customizable shortcuts and toggles to both the top row and quick launch and control center to trigger any activator action. This is called Quick Access, and cut off iOS 10, 11, 12, and 13. Quick access to shortcuts. This is called COS or COS, and also control center module. This is called Swipe Extender Ets, and reinvent your keyboard with this full remake. So bring back life to your keyboard. This is called, it's a theme called Layers, and translucent, shapeless icons with vivid colors. This is called Photos Pro, also mentioned with Swipe Extender Ets version 1.5.2. It's the most powerful keyboard tweak. New translate action, long press for menus, new features, bug fixes. This is called Summer Pro, also with Photos Pro, adds many features to the application of the photos. Summer Pro is packaged that includes more than 100 mods for iOS. This is called Gaze or Gauze, and Grid Style App Switcher. This is called Raspberry, and background playback for YouTube and YouTube Music. This is called WhatsApp Reveal, and many features of the WhatsApp application. See these features right here. This is called GIF to Annie V2, and artist respring animations from any GIF you want. This is called Power Cuff, exposes assets to hidden power throttle modes for better battery life. I think it is on that Mario repo, Power Cuff. I think it's like an updated version of it is on there. But I think it was also updated by like Kitten or something like that, or Litine. But it's down the dot depth for that. I don't think it's on Cydia. This is called Flex List, and supports iOS 9 to 14. So it's used by applications and Springboard are called the debugging tool Flex. This is called Cephei's tweak support, and this is a tweak that is a support framework used by tweak developers. This is called Plus for Instagram, a must-have tweak for Instagram users. You have all these features. This is called Reddit No Ads, and removes ads, lightweight, supports iOS 12 to 14, and latest Reddit version. This is called YouTube Plus, your most complete YouTube tweak, so a lightweight tweak that enhances and improves your experience using the YouTube app. So you have all these features. This is called Instagram Plus Legacy, most complete Instagram tweak. So Plus for Instagram is a new version of this, but this version still gets updated. So you pretty much have the same features for Instagram as of the Instagram Plus tweak. Plus for Instagram tweak. This is called Churia or Chaya, and and brings dynamic home screen layout configuration system for iOS users. It's called ZX Touch. ZX Touch main application. It's pretty much an alternative to Auto Touch. I prefer Auto Touch, but this is an alternative to that. Next we use the old one. It's called Byte SMS. Next is called Real CC. Another tweak is called a Checkra1n, and it's a new customizable control center tweak. But this tweak is called Real CC. And Real CC actually disables Wi-Fi from iOS 11 Plus Control Center. Tweak is now discontinued. Use CC on and off by proving Smart is a better alternative with less issues. So we have CC on and off. With iOS 11 and up, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on and off, especially from your control center on iOS 11 and above. This tweak is called Playtopia 2, a floating music player. This tweak is called Circuit for YouTube and gives you basically a bunch of cool features for the YouTube. See features right here. Make sure it's down the YouTube app from the App Store. So yeah, pretty cool. This tweak is called Nita and places a carrier with an emoji which represents the current weather condition. This is called Violet and Sweet Addition to your wallpaper. So it's all work with your current playing song and more areas than just the music app itself. This is called YT HD Unlocker, unlocks HD videos in the YouTube app. And last week's called YT UHD, unlocks 1440p and 2160p resolutions for the iOS YouTube app. And last but not least, we have Odyssey 2 for WhatsApp. And this is pretty much a WhatsApp tweak. So it makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use by allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. Supports iOS 9 to 14. So you get this feature right here. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.